The question I got asked is, can I move a file from my Google Drive, from within one of my folders, to someone else's shared Google Drive? I'm going to show you what you can do with Google Drive folders, and I will align that with shared drives with you as well as I demonstrate what I'm able to do. I have a file down here that belongs to me. You can see it belongs to me. I put it's 179.4 megabytes. I can move this file to a shared folder. If I hit the move button, I go to all locations. Right here is shared with me. I can move it into that temp file, a temp folder that is shared with me. If I click on that and hit move, who can access it? I will be visible to everyone who can see temp. I'll move it. Now, let me go over to the owner of that file. Give me 1 second. I'm over on TL Burris at teddyburris.com. I'm in his Google Drive looking at his temp folder, and at the bottom of this is that video. Can I change my Google password? 179.4. And you can see it belongs to BCI Google Testing. Now let me go back to that account, and if I go to shared with me, and there's that temp folder, if I double click on it, if I go all the way to the bottom, here it is here. Can I change my Google password? 179, it still belongs to me. So that was moving it into a shared folder. Now, what I can't demonstrate, but it works the same way, let me move this back. Give me a second. I move the file back to my temp folder under my drive. But here's the conversation in the context of shared drives. If I go to move that, I click on all. Not only do I have the ability to move it within my own drive or to a computer, but as well as what I just demonstrated, shared with me, but they're shared drives. Now, apparently, do I have any shared drives? No, I do not. There are no shared drives. But if I did have shared drives shared with me, I would be able to move it there for others to get access to. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.